Hello students, in this video we will be discussing important questions that will be coming in your AWS certification exam. The question asked here is, there is a company that has an e-commerce platform. They are experiencing seasonal traffic spikes. They want to ensure that their infrastructure can handle the increased traffic during the seasons. Question asked here is that what combination of service they should use. So which is the service? So at the time of spikes, they will be needing auto scaling. Then CloudWatch will be required to monitor the performance, and SNS, that is your service that will be used to notify the stakeholders about the scaling events. Then whenever they will be scaling, this SNS will be providing with the notification, that is simple notification service. And ELB, that is your elastic load balancer, it will distribute the traffic on various instances or in various resources. So right option is option A. Next, there is a financial service company and their goal is to store sensitive data securely. Question is, what security measures should be implemented to make sure that the data is sensitively stored properly, right? Securely it should be stored. So what are the measures they should use, or what are the services they should be using? They will be using IAM service, correct, to make sure there is proper encryption. Then S3 bucket policies will be used, that who can access the data and who won't be able to access the data, to make sure that the data is secured. Then SSL TLS, this encrypts the data in the transist, right? And so all these three will be used here. Option A is right. Next is a real-time analytics platform. Their goal is to process data in real time. This term is important, right? So what service should be used here? So in order to process data in real time, what are the services they will be using here, right? So right option is Kinesis, Lambda, S3, as well as mark here CloudWatch, right? These are the services that will be used there. Kinesis, this will stream the data, correct? What this will do is, this will stream the data. Then Lambda, it is a serverless platform. S3 to store the data, and CloudWatch to monitor that performance. Next, there is an online gaming platform. Their goal is to scalable infrastructure, that they want to set up a scalable infrastructure, correct? Now, as it is an online gaming platform, what services will they be using here? So they will be using auto scaling, right? Because as they want a scalable structure, whenever there will be need, the resources will be scaled. CloudWatch to monitor the performance. Elastic load balancer, it will distribute the traffic. And SNS will also be there, that will help them to notify the stakeholders when there will be auto scaling. So option A. Next, there is a healthcare organization. Their goal is to comply with the HIPAA regulations, correct? Now what are the services they should use here? So which is the service they will be using here? They will be using basically AWS Health Lake. Why AWS Health Lake? Because Health Lake, they provides HIPAA compliant data storage, right? I repeat, this Health Lake, AWS Health Lake service provides HIPAA compliant data storage. Next, there is a media company. Their goal is to stream videos globally. So what service should be used by them? In order to stream videos globally, they will be using CloudFront, right? AWS CloudFront. This helps them to deliver the data or deliver the content fast and securely. This will basically cache the files and help us to deliver the content fast and more securely. Next, there is a retail company. Their goal is to analyze the customer behavior. Question asked is, what service should be used here? So in order to basically analyze the customer behavior, they should be using QuickSight. Why QuickSight? Because this will provide fast data analysis. Fast data analysis will be provided here by QuickSight, right? Next, there is a predictive maintenance company. Their goal is to build a accurate model. Right now, in order to build and maintain a accurate model, what should they use? They should use SageMaker, AWS SageMaker. Right, this is a fully managed machine learning platform. Fully managed machine learning platform, right? Because this will help them to build accurate models and help also to make sure that they are working properly. Next, there is a web application company. Their goal is to secure the API access. API is your application programming interface, right? So in order to secure this API access, the service they will be using is API gateway, correct? Because this API gateway, it secures the API access. Next, there is a data warehousing company. Their goal is to migrate to cloud-based data warehousing. So in order to migrate to the cloud-based data warehousing, and they want to migrate to their own premise data warehouse, right? On premise data warehouse. So what service they should be using? They should use Redshift, right? As Redshift provides cloud-based data warehousing. It provides cloud-based data warehousing, correct? So friends, these are your some important questions. For further questions, we will be bringing multiple videos, so stay tuned with us for a long term.